What's going on, guys? Today we got a very chill video. It's basically a video where I cannot do like third person like this, so I have to be zoomed in the entire time. So yeah, I'm completely zoomed in and I can't do this now, so we're actually growing so crazy right now. It doesn't who okay, I was literally about to zoom out, but yeah, I can't do that. And apparently, oh, gonna get the gun, guys. Watch these pro moves. Okay, so person in there is the gun. This creepy ghost face looking ass guy. Yo, bro, let me just tell you, bro, you're ugly. Like, this guy's dead ass. And I was just gonna target other people. Imagine, come on, shoot it, bro. If my cousin doesn't hit this guy, bro, he's bad. Like, he's really bad. Come on. This guy just snuck through. Oh, he's ugly. Oh, chill, I didn't mean it like that. Hold on, he was about to throw the knife at me too. I didn't mean it like that, bro, chill. Bro, my cousin died. There's no actual way. But the guy is literally about to die. Like, bro, come on. He died. This guy, how? That's just way too. Bro, what? This is just weird, guys. But yeah, I can be zoomed out again. And also, if you guys like this merch, I love this merch, by the way. I literally love this outfit so much. But yeah, you can buy it. Link in the description. It's in my group. And there's also a game in my group. And yeah, if you want to play that. Wait, I haven't been zoomed in. Oh, I'm actually stupid. Okay, well, bro, just give me the gun. Like, I take the. No, you don't. Bro, I take the gun. You already know I have like 10 times better aim. Bruh. Okay, that little kid's definitely the murder. LOL. Come on. You're ugly, bro. You're ugly for taking the gun like that. I wish I was murdered though. Like, I would have killed him. Just gonna start running for him right now. Bro, I don't even care if he dies. Like, he deserves it. Taking the gun from me like that? It's so weird doing a speak glitch in first person. Finally, I can zoom out again. It was literally 1 second before a timer as well. I can't 1v. My cousin's like asking me to 1v1, bro. I can't do that. I'm not 1v1ing. I'm not taking his calls either. He can take the L. Bro, I want to zoom out so bad, bro. Hold on, let me do a speak glitch again. 7. Just there we go. Got the speak glitch going. I actually kind of want to check how many coins I have, but I literally can't even do that. This server's actually boring. Wait, can you jump in first person with like the TNT? I can't, but somebody might actually be able to do it. This is so boring. Actually, by the way, guys, my friend started like a Minecraft channel. I don't know if you guys are interested in that, but when he makes a video, I'll probably do it on like a community post. Also, now that we're at it, I hope you guys are having an amazing day too, because I am certainly not, because this server is boring as hell. Well, how boring is this server, bro? Come on, give me the TNT thing before, yeah. Huh? She just lagged away. Just jump over that guy. Hey, just what? Come on. This has so far been like my most annoying video to record because just nothing happens in this server. But I literally can't switch servers because he's in this server. Finally. Oh my days, but I have to do it in. Let me just equip the right power though. Powers, X-ray. Like, I'm gonna have to use X-ray because. Okay, where did this person in here go? Oh. Can't just run away like that. You gonna do me like that? Dead. You are dead as well. Well, there we go. Also, the worst thing is, like, I can't see the sheriff like this. What? Okay, that. Bro, where? You ain't shoot. Bro, I can't. What? Right, he's right here. He's gonna go up the stairs. How the? There we go. Finally. Now I have to wait for my X-ray before I can actually, like. Okay, my cousins. What? What? Yeah, well, that's a cheater. That's fun. How fun? Actually, how? I'm lagging, I swear. Bro, that's just... I can't anymore, guys. I'll stop recording right now, bro. Oh, hell no.